in today's episode, okay, many interesting news. Like I saw no information on, let's say, some big channels, like a small, well, deep or something, yeah? But a lot of things happening, like multi-level things are happening now. And including at the end, I'm gonna show a really small gem, maybe not so small, but it's been purchased by the big whales who used to play with Unibot and Mafree and all these coins which they give plenty of X's in the recent bear market, okay, bear market conditions. So stay tuned, but a lot of interesting news, including China and what is happening now. And this, that our excuse level for printing is just going to be released. Let's go. Hello again, hello. Read just this disclaimer, okay? Everything we're gonna say here is non-financial advice, so that shouldn't be something new. I am not any fund manager or something like that, just a guy who tried to get something from all of these markets. So read this thing, pause that screen for a moment. If you agree, we can continue. At the moment, Bitcoin is trying to get a little bit up, but I think it's gonna be lower high. And let's just quickly go here for 1 second, okay? We can see this channel here, okay? And at the moment, if we're going to do something like that, look, this is the diagonal. So I think we could finish this upwards move, okay? And now we could wait for the correction, whether it's going to be this correction or that's a little bit deeper correction. I don't know, but the FOMC is coming. And I just want to show you one thing. At the moment, we have these liquidations level here and here, okay? They are actually here, okay? And at the moment here they are, till 27,000. So yesterday, like I said, the resistance level was 27.5. Look, resistance level 27 almost. We went to, how much went? We went to 27,470.7. So nearly, okay. And here are the liquidation. So at the moment, this channel, okay, and that triangle are bearish formations, more probabilities downwards. However, tomorrow we have a FOMC, and I'm gonna read you today a little bit of kind of articles that you will see that the entire market is just at the brink of collapse. So our scenario to have a possibility of, so they will have a possibility of justification, excuse for printing. It's just going right now. So I will gonna quickly show you a few messages. Watch out, Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance is having a feature today, a launch feature today, that is farming the liquid staking farms, okay? So it can come up with a better yield, okay? They are saying something that up to 24%. I don't think so, okay? It's a stake it, I don't think so. But could be something. So watch out on this, because that could cause that this formation here, and we're at the level where this price was going up from that level, could be breaking to the outside. Of course, upside. Of course, Polkadot, okay? Polkadot has the partnership with Circle, and they will issue a native USDC stablecoin on the DOT chain. So the last time I was looking at Omisago, when Omisago has a very big run, they had the Tether issuance on their chain. That could be something big. That could be something. So have these two coins in mind, okay, for the moment. That could be something. Of course, other coins like DLSA that I was talking about, it is kind of growing, okay. It bypassed this this wedge here, and I don't see any volume, but maybe the volume will show up. I don't know. I'm still looking at MV at the moment. Like I said, wait for this potential swing failure pattern. At the moment, each time breakdown. So if it's gonna do like this, okay, Catch this retest. So that's MV, Genso Kinshi. Zen, okay? Look at the Zen. Zen, if we're gonna go, if we are at the daily. So Zen had this upgrade, but however, if we're gonna pass this dotted line here, okay, we could go up for this C pattern. So here we had a downturn, okay, and now we had A, B, and C correction. So if it's correction, we're gonna wait till this will gonna happen, okay, till this momentum will happen. And also look at the Alice. Alice, same pattern as Link. I don't know, if you wanna try, just try the same as Dot, okay? Watch out for a swing failure pattern. I'm not going now because odds are against up move, only they are towards down move. So wait till the swing failure pattern will be, okay? And Alice, the same thing. Wait till this daily level of 8 cents will actually become physically available. Also, Matic is starting to going up. I don't know, it's going to be too late when it's going to reach 58 cents. So you can, I don't know, dollar cost averaging now, okay, or something. And the last coin I'm going to show, it's Atom. I hope you have entered this position with me here at the moment. Like I got about $1,000 on this, okay. I bought 1,000 atoms on the leverage, I think 10x, okay. So and I was buying here. So I got $1,000 more or less, 650 I was buying, yeah, 6,500. So I got $1,000, and now I'm just waiting till this will drive up to a gamma bridge. At the moment we are a little bit overbought, so I'm reckoning it could go down, but maybe after the pump. It's too late now to go in. AWACS is looking very good, and DOT and other coins. Yeah, so here we are at this level, this dotted level here, and if we're gonna hold on this level, watch out, because we could have a breakout of this wedge here, and the AWACS will also could pump. So big coins are start to pumping in, big coins, and that's it for the moment. Let's go with the news, big news. Look, let's just bypass this for a moment. Oil, okay, for a barrel is getting very close to 100 at the moment. So once it's gonna get 100, they're gonna drain entire money from the economy. And look now, United Auto Workers called unprecedented strike at all 3 Detroit automakers. So it's not about this news, it's about why we see that news. Okay, remember always, okay, effect is this what we see, cause is this what we're gonna be asking ourselves a question, why that is. Some of you could be maybe now my English could be very funny. I'm not native English, okay, I'm not native English. I'm using English since like let's say last 15 years, okay, so I try to keep it very simple. I don't like to use some extraordinary extravagant words, because I believe that using sophisticated wording, I am not getting into every people's mind. The most common, the most understandable language is that the language which everyone understands. So simple words, everything easy. That's why I try to keep it easy, and I will keep it easy, okay? Keep it easy for everyone. It's just the nature that I'm using when I'm training people at the corporations, when I used to, because I'm full-time in crypto, when I did that thing. Some people don't like this, because it's supposed, when you train the people in the engineering degree, they expect that you're going to use the vocabularies kind of much more complex. I hate that. I believe that the complex vocabulary is to divide knowledge, and I don't like divide knowledge. I hate secret knowledge. So that's why I'm going to be using simple language, okay? So always we have to think cause and effect diagram, okay? Causes are what? Look, the money is being driven from economy, okay? It's too much cost. We have a slowdown of economy. We have a high cost of fuels. We're gonna have a high cost of food. Come on, how long this economy will last long? How long? How much time? I think, because tomorrow we're gonna have a FOMC meeting where they will decide whether go with the race or not go up to the race. I think we are just at the end of it. Like they gonna pivot very soon. If they're not going to go sideways now, I think this time, if they will create another hike, okay, that's going to be game over. It's going to be quickly pivoted down because the economy is not able to last long. Plus, these informations from India and other, let's say, countries that we have this sick people and so on is the same thing as in 2020. It's the same type of news. If someone believes that something like this really happens, and all this is, well, we knew about this fake data which was there, and all these, let's say, you can sit down with a mask, you can stand up. You can sit down with no mask. Come on. It's not about to trust the science. It's about knowing the science. Okay, so I think that's why people are striking, because it's difficult. And let's say we want to go to another one, China. China is now heading towards this dollar coupon deadline. So Country Garden have to pay another rate, another loan, interest rate, which is now, I think, over 50 million, something like this. So they had a big problem paying $600,000, something like that. That was about, in the beginning when I opened the channel, that was one of the first news. And now it's 50 million. So look, China Central Bank, okay, sold FX reserves, so United States reserves. And everyone who believes in BRICS, okay, say, oh yeah, because it's a strength. China is selling now, US is going to have a problem. I don't think so. China needs dollars. If Country Garden will fail, and I think will fail, okay, we are talking about a huge crisis which was similar to 2008 crisis, like in UK or in Ireland, okay. I'm familiar with Ireland very much. So Ireland has a 20% of the construction was contributing towards, GDP had 20% contribution from the building society. Okay, so all these markers. In China, it's a 30%. In Ireland, that was a huge crash. And that's the same. When I'm looking at this, it is the same story. So watch out. All the news are coming to a really big down, event. Okay, that we're gonna have some crash. And I think that's why then they're gonna lower rates, and it's gonna be similar effect like in 2020. Boom, stimulus and everything. Okay, and very important news in New York. After they start banning Airbnbs, yeah. So if you're renting in New York, if you come from New York and if you're renting, you're gonna be banned. Okay, so they are killing economy in New York. I don't know. It's like New York, then Washington D.C. and we have what? We have LA. Yeah, I don't know, but it's going to be a really crisis in these cities. I don't know. And now they are decided that they don't need any special tap whatever agreement from SEC or from CFTC. I don't remember now which one is it. They can ban whatever coins and what they want. So they banned Litecoin, for example. You can, the exchange is based in New York. They cannot trade whatever. I don't know. It's just these socialistic, communistic kind of laws that they are introduced. I don't know. That doesn't make sense. I'm not tracing them because it's a waste of time. Watch out. We have a fear incoming. Bubbles. Again, some coins really good, some coins going bad. Like I said, all these coins which they have wedges or levels, they are just, one coin is going up, then capital is escaping and going in this coin. So that's why don't be, let's say, too harsh on yourself that, oh, you didn't catch TRB, or you didn't catch the BLZ, or you didn't catch CVP. Come on. It's just set yourself with the coins and then we will see. Look, altcoin season could be going now as it is, but that could be these single coins. So capital is not pumping entire market. It's just pumping similar single coins, yeah, which they're gonna kind of pump slightly and then get rid of this coins and it's going to another coin, okay, another coin, set of coins or whatever. And that's why we have this pump. So it's not gonna be the market like we have now. Like in July, look, we went to the kind of halfway and then we just did down. So market is very similar, but in around of December, we went really up. So at the moment, when we're going to finish that ride, something may happen that we're going to pull back. Okay, another kind of coincidence with data. And then we're going to go down and then we will start the recovery. Watch out. This is this news about Yearn Finance that they have launch composition is made from LTSs from Frax Finance and different. Okay, so stake ETH holders will adjust the composition of year-end finance over time by voting. So, well, that's this new feature, which is live. So you are not just on a secure network, but like a glorious on-chain feature. Well, I don't know, that's the trust, holder governance, risk adjustment. So they are introducing like their own trust for the staking for the ETH, but it's going to be combined with others ones. So that's something interesting. This could, like, year-end finance likes to pump. Market, Raw Paul says that the market should pump 5 to 10 X's. I'm thinking about similar, I used to showing this before, about the 2-3 months before, on a different channel. And like if we have a total market cap of $1 trillion, yeah, like to go to the previous all-time high is 3x's. I think we're gonna go to $6 trillion, which is 5x's from the point that we are now. So I'm going to the lower range. I don't think so we're gonna go 10x. It's kind of big, you know, spread 5 or 10 or maybe 15. You know, I'm thinking about the 5. Okay, 5. A lot of news is happening with the. I always have this problem when I'm talking fast about the news and the newses. Okay, news is like a plural form already of something. I don't know. So I'm gonna be having this problem all the time. Okay, so token 2049 has a plenty. That's a very big. According to people, I haven't been there, but people who were there said that it was very big. It was something. The biggest ever they went, okay, the crypto event. So that's why these coins are pumping now, because they are in these positions, let's say falling wedges, some support lines, and then bam, some sort of news, and they are pumping, okay? Watch out, this is big, okay? Telegram is opening the Telegram wallet, okay? So it's gonna be available in November to all the outside of US users. Now Telegram has plenty of users already. If you are from US, if you're gonna type in search bar Telegram TG, you will you could install Telegram wallet, and then you can start paying. Okay, you can start paying. You can connect your bank account. You can, I don't know, like if. Wow, I just don't know how the seeds are generated because I cannot test at the moment. But once I will test it, because that could bury MetaMask. But remember, because the creator of this wallet is having a good time with the World Economic Forum. So that's gonna be interesting. We will see, but maybe not. I don't know. But it is big. And why I'm saying about this? Because Elon Musk says that they will create Twitter, so X, yeah, which will be, they're gonna charge for using X. So it's not only about this blue badges that you have to pay for, that's the premium account, yeah, but for normal account, they're gonna be paying, the users are gonna be paying now. So if we're gonna connect this, that Telegram as a social platform has plenty of users, we will see that the Web 2.0 platforms like YouTube, like Facebook, like Instagram, like X, Twitter, whatever, yeah, they're gonna start charging. And now we have this favor that I was telling you, something similar, but it's Web 3.0, that you have your own profile. You can take it whatever you want. You can buy and sell items and so on. You don't have to pay for it. That's what I was waiting for. They will create an environment which will be very friendly to new social platforms, Web 3.0 platforms that you can operate within the crypto industry. I'm just waiting. Every time I'm on the market, or I'm in a manufacturing, or I'm in whatever analysis, value stream analysis I'm carrying out, okay, at whatever aspect, I can see that pushing forward, okay, the Excel results is killing the businesses. And I have seen that many times, like on different field, like even if hire employees, if you are managing some contracts, if you are managing suppliers, if you are, I don't know, and you name it, like if you have some launch of the coin, if you are whatever, you are working with Excel, that's gonna be a bet later on. Polkadot is ready to go with the stablecoin giant USDC launch. So this is what I was telling you. Polka will launch this native USDC, and like it's been launched on built on base, and that will only support massive capital inflow. So watch out on Polkadot. And this, I don't know, ex-employee, ex-Google employee launches open source AI. So that could be really big, if it's true, that could be really big news on OpenAI, for example, because if they will create open source AI, well, that's going to be a nice counter for a big data. Okay, big data. And last thing, Unibot has a big competitor, MBOT. Okay, so that's the Moon bot tech. Okay, this is both very similar to Unibot, but has a plenty of different functions. What I'm saying is that the difference between Unibot, okay, and MBOT is one huge big difference. Okay, the team is fully KYC, and when I was telling you about the many projects are just going down because of the developers try to rogue. Now it's completely different story. So wow, that's gonna be like meth free. Okay, Unibot, they're gonna have a big competitor because big wallets which they invest in Unibot and they invest into meth free, okay, and aimbot, they are now switching and this price is going. So I would wait a little bit on the price to have a pullback, okay, maybe $5 or something, but it could like all scale in because these bots, they are just going vertically, and a lot of channels, big channels, are talking about this now, so they are gonna pump this coin. I don't know, choose wisely, but this could be bought for a little bit longer than just a pump. If the team is KYC, that's going to create a standard, I think, in a new project that KYC will be as a, let's say, your coins are safe or something like this from Binance. So that's it for today, okay? And take care. Remember to leave the like, and I have only few views. So hey guys, I know you're watching me. So leave the like button and share this thing, okay? Share this thing because this channel has a very good vibrations. See ya.